everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to our third round of Flight to Japan Lucky Draw. Just like maybe you are just like tuning in from the YouTube and then you don't know about us yet. So just a little bit introduction of Phillip Nova, who we are. Phillip Nova, formerly known as Phillip Futures, was inaugurated in 1983 as a member of Phillip Capital Group and is one of the founding clearing member of Singapore Exchange Derivative Trading SGX DT. We have since grown to become one of the top regions brokerages for trading stocks, CFDs, forex, futures, commodities, and ETFs. So just a little bit introduction of this flight to Japan promotion as well. You can stand to win a pair of air tickets to Japan in two simple steps. First, open a trading account with us. Second, trade at least 5 lots of SGX Nikkei 225 index futures. We also have a special reduced commission for you. Trade the SGX Nikkei 225 index at only 50 cents per lot. And then every 5 lots traded actually increases your chance of winning. So for example, you trade 5 lots, then you get 1 lucky draw chances. And then if you are trading 10 lots, actually you will get 2 lucky draw chances. If you are keen to learn more about this promotion, you can also scan the QR code on the right hand side to see the full details here. Now let me pass the time to Jingning, which is our flight to Japan's business development executive, to talk about why trade Japan and why trade Nikkei 225.
Okay, thank you, Joey. My name is Jingning. So before I start our market views, I would like to share that this is just for discussion and does not serve as any financial advice. So next, why trade Japan market and Nikkei 225? Okay, Japan is a technology advanced country and it is 4th largest economic country in the world. While Nikkei 225 represent the top blue chip companies, and if you are tracking on the movement of Nikkei 225, you will know that it has been very volatile in the recent few months, and you will know it has been making all-time highs in last month. And I think it is a good time to gain your exposure in Japan markets. I know you might be keen to know more of the market views. Let me invite our market analyst, Danish, to talk about this. Thank you.
Okay, hi everyone. So I'll be talking about the Nikkei 225 index as well as some of our views. So recently, I think there's been quite a lot of volatility in the Nikkei 225, but underneath that volatility, there are quite a few positive developments. For example, we saw that the real wages in Japan actually increased for the first time in 27 months. Business investment has also shown some signs of recovery, and thanks to corporate reforms, we have also seen higher dividends, more share buybacks, as well as improved balance sheets. And on the US side of things as well, I guess we all know that rate cuts are expected to come as soon as next week. But it's also important to understand why the Fed will be cutting rates. If they cut rates due to a recession or a hard landing, we think that the Nikkei will underperform. But on the other hand, if they were to cut rates because of a soft landing, it's more likely that we will see the Nikkei outperform. The next slide. And on the other hand as well, it's important to monitor the USD JPY currency pair and its correlation to the Nikkei 225. Quite recently, I think since the August 5th drawdown, the correlation between the currency pair and Nikkei 225 actually increased to about 0.3. And this means that whenever we see the yen weaken, we are more likely to see the Nikkei 225 index gain from a weaker currency. And in order to express our view, we do prefer a long position in the Nikkei 225 index. You can see we have several levels over here. For example, our current target is about 40,500, and we prefer to set a trailing stop loss at about 33,915. And this is based on the entry point. So how a trailing stop loss works is that the stop loss order will move alongside the increase in your stock prices or your index prices. So next slide. And on a chart, you can see that this is roughly how things will play out. Based on the MACD indicator as well as the RSI, it does seem to support that the view that the Nikkei 225 will see some near-term volatility, but overall, in the long run, due to the fundamentals which I mentioned, it's more likely that the Nikkei 225 will see a positive direction. And these are our levels that we think will be beneficial along with a trailing stop loss order. So now I hand over the time back to Joey, who will talk and proceed with the lucky draw.
If you guys are interested in the Danish trading ideas, you can also follow our Instagram and then to get his views of Nikkei 225. And now I think it's a lucky draw time, so let's invite our associate director, Mr. Simon Teo, to review the winner shortly.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for participating in this campaign, right? And I wish all the participants best of luck. So I will begin the draw now. And congratulations to SC. Okay, so thank you very much for participating in this event. For those of you who has not won in this round, don't be disappointed. Okay, we still have another round next month. So continue to trade Nikkei and stand a chance to win this lucky draw. Right, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Simon. And also just let me to share what is upcoming for our Nikkei promotion. And from the 16th of September, which is next Monday, we are going to have the new contracts added, which is the JPX Nikkei 225 mini futures and also JPX Nikkei 225 micro futures. And then you can also trade this at a reduced commission. You can trade JPX mini at 0.5 per lot, and also you can trade the micro futures at 0.1 per lot. So only just two simple steps: open a trading account with us, and then trade at least 5 lots of these Nikkei products from only 10 cents per lot. So you can scan the QR code on the right hand side to have more information. Thank you, everyone, and we will see you at the next lucky draw of Flight to Japan. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.